Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways for businesses to build relationships with customers, but many platforms can feel complicated and overwhelming. In this review, we're taking a look at Flodesk, an email marketing platform focused on beautiful design, simplicity, and helping businesses create professional campaigns without advanced technical skills. Flodesk is mainly built for creators, small businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands that want their emails to look more premium. The platform focuses on visual design, offering ready-made templates, drag-and-drop editing, sign-up forms, landing pages, and automated email workflows. One of Flodesk's biggest advantages is simplicity. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to create newsletters, welcome sequences, and promotional campaigns without spending hours learning complicated tools. The email templates are one of the platform's strongest features, with modern designs that help brands create a more professional appearance. Flodesk also includes automation tools that allow users to send personalized emails based on subscriber actions. You can create workflows for welcome emails, product promotions, lead nurturing, and customer follow-ups. This makes it useful for businesses that want to automate communication while keeping a personal touch. Now let's talk about pricing. Flodesk offers a free plan with basic tools to grow your email list, including forms and landing pages. The Lite plan costs $25 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers and includes unlimited email sends, analytics, and basic features. The Pro plan costs $28 per month and adds unlimited workflows, advanced analytics, and more automation tools. For businesses that also need e-commerce features, the Everything plan costs $54 per month, including checkout tools, sales pages, funnels, and payment features. There are some downsides. Compared to larger email marketing platforms, Flodesk offers fewer advanced features, especially for complex sales funnels, detailed analytics, and large e-commerce operations. It is designed more for simplicity and branding rather than advanced marketing automation. Overall, Flodesk is a great choice for small businesses and creators who want beautiful emails, simple automation, and predictable pricing. If design and ease of use are your priorities, Flodesk is definitely worth considering in 2026. However, businesses needing deep analytics and advanced marketing tools may find other platforms more suitable.